Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up as an Amazon Flex driver. We will also put links in the description below for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and earn extra money. First, download the app, available on App Store and Google Play. Once the app is downloaded, tap on Open. Once the app is open, a pop-up notification will appear which asks you to allow Bluetooth. It is required for navigation and directions prompts. To proceed, tap on OK. If you already have an Amazon account, you could use it to sign up for Amazon Flex. In this video, we just use our Amazon account. Next, enable the following permissions by tapping on it. Then tap on Continue. Now, you will be asked few questions. To proceed, tap on Get Started. First, enter the zip code of the location you wish to deliver. Next, select the days you want to deliver, then heart your top 3. Now, select the times you want to deliver. You could select all, then heart the top 2. After that, select how many hours per week do you want to deliver. Tap on the option you wish to select, then tap on Next. Lastly, select the size of the vehicle you will use to deliver. After selecting, tap on All Done. If you also encounter this and there are no deliveries as of the moment, you could join the list to get notified. To proceed, tap on Join List. That's how you sign up as an Amazon Flex driver. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.